Hello, this is Dr. Stanley Lang, and welcome to this presentation. This presentation is on the natural disease treatment, the natural Lyme disease treatment program. And the context for this treatment program is what we call whole person health. That's health of body, mind, and spirit. And so we're going to be talking about some elements of the natural Lyme disease treatment program. And the reason I want to tell you about them is because of a patient that I saw today who has chronic Lyme disease. Unlike many of the patients that I treat for Lyme disease, she had a blood test that was very positive. And it was easy, once we saw the positive test, to be able to look back and see, oh yeah, these symptoms were probably Lyme disease. But at the time, they were so sort of sneaky, it hadn't crossed my mind. In particular, the neurological changes she was having related to memory loss. In fact, it looked like she just had plain old dementia that was related to age-related changes. And she'd actually had to retire from her work because of her loss of memory. And it turned out that she has Lyme disease. And she started treatment for Lyme disease with antibiotic, the standard therapies that we've developed, along with some supplementary things that fall into this holistic approach that we focus on more than just the physical body to help recover from chronic conditions. And she was doing quite a bit better, stopped antibiotic therapy. And when I saw her back today, she was starting to get recurrence of symptoms. And we'd previously talked about some of the discoveries that I'd made about some natural substances that actually work quite well for treating Lyme disease. And in some of the research actually show better results in terms of killing the Lyme germ. So at this point, she was tired of exposing her body to chronic antibiotic therapy and was eager to try something that was more of a natural substance that did not damage the body, did not damage the good bacteria in the gut, did not have any toxic side effects. And so she's starting this natural program, which I have other patients who have been very successful with the program. So the take-home message is that if you're dealing with chronic Lyme disease symptoms or recurrent Lyme disease symptoms, or you think you might have Lyme disease and you don't want to have the toxicity of antibiotic therapy, or you don't have access to somebody who could prescribe it to you, then I encourage you to click on the link to access the program. It's extremely modestly priced, far, far less than the cost of a doctor's office visit. And it's simply information on what you can get, the things where you can get, where to get them, to use things that are totally non-toxic that will help your body fight the Lyme organism. And we're expanding the program as we come across more information. So it's basically a membership site that gives you access to that information for as long as you feel like you need it. So if you're interested in this, I encourage you to click on the link either on the video or below the video. I wish you well, God bless, and have a great day.